Stop right now if you are thinking about buying a new phone. Put your wallet away immediately. The new leaks about the upcoming iPhone 18 series change absolutely everything. We are finally getting our first real look at the iPhone 18 Pro. We are also seeing the Pro Max and something even bigger. Yes, we are talking about the long-awaited iPhone Fold. This is not just a small upgrade. This is not a minor tweak. This is Apple quietly rewriting the entire future of smartphones. We are looking at a much smaller dynamic island. We are seeing a completely new design. We are expecting a chip that feels like it belongs in the distant future. But wait, because the biggest change is not what you might think. Let us dive right into all the exciting details. Let us start with the display. This is where things get really wild. The dynamic island is finally shrinking by around 35%. Apple is reportedly moving key Face ID components right under the display. This leaves behind a much cleaner look. It gives an almost full-screen experience. When you compare this to the current Pro models, the difference is completely insane. This is the closest Apple has ever been to giving us a true all-screen iPhone. But here is where it gets even more interesting. The front display is not even the biggest redesign. Flip the phone over. You will see that Apple is doing something completely different. The latest leaks show a brand new two-tone back design. It features a solid metal upper section. This section houses a large and rectangular camera module. The lower half remains glass. This keeps MagSafe working perfectly. It feels very industrial. It looks very bold. It is almost like a futuristic throwback to older designs. It gives the iPhone a fresh and rugged identity. We have not seen this style in years. This is where it gets very serious. The real reason behind this massive chip upgrade is Apple Intelligence. According to trusted leaks, Apple is preparing to run its AI features entirely on the device. You will not have to rely on the cloud anymore. That means faster responses. It means much better privacy. It means real-time processing that does not depend on your internet connection at all. In simple terms, your iPhone will not just be smart. It will perform complex AI tasks instantly right in your hand. Add to that a brand new custom C2 modem. This will give better 5G speeds and much lower power consumption. This might truly be the first iPhone that feels completely unstoppable. Even with all that unmatched power, the A20 Pro is not the main headline feature. That is because Apple is finally entering the foldable game. The highly anticipated iPhone Fold is heavily rumored to feature a 5.4-inch outer display. It will also have a massive 7.6-inch inner folding screen. Here is the crazy part that no one saw coming. There is no Face ID on the Fold. To make the device much thinner than anyone expected, Apple is reportedly using Touch ID. They are integrating it directly into the power button instead. There is a major catch. There will be no MagSafe on the iPhone Fold. At least, that is what the very early leaks strongly suggest right now. Apple might be sacrificing wireless charging magnets just to keep the Fold ultra thin. If that turns out to be true, this could easily be one of the most controversial decisions they have made in many years. People love their MagSafe accessories. Losing that feature might be a tough sell. Things get even more strategic for Apple here. They might actually split the launch of the entire iPhone 18 lineup. The premium iPhone 18 Pro, the Pro Max, and the highly awaited iPhone Fold could all arrive together in September 2026. Meanwhile, the standard iPhone 18 models might get delayed until sometime in 2027. That is not just a simple schedule change. That is a clear move by Apple separating its premium users from everyone else. The real question is simple. If this is truly the future of the iPhone, is anything before it even worth buying right now? Here is my best and honest opinion about this upcoming product lineup. The iPhone 18 series looks like the massive generational leap we have all been waiting for. The jump to a 2nm chip and fully on-device AI will make current phones feel incredibly slow by comparison. The true all-screen design is something fans have begged for over the last decade. While the lack of MagSafe on the iPhone Fold is definitely a huge disappointment, the sheer innovation of Apple's first foldable will likely still break sales records. If you have a phone that works fine right now, the iPhone 18 Pro and the Fold seem entirely worth the wait. They represent a genuine step forward into the future rather than just another safe and boring update. These devices will change the smartphone market. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video.